Hey, how's it going? Vladimir Donis here. So, hey, if you're watching this via my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. You can hit the subscribe button. There's a subscribe button somewhere on this page. If you're watching this if you're listening to this via my podcast, you can go ahead and subscribe to my podcast as well. So, hey, today I want to talk about is MLM a pyramid scheme? A network marketer tells his side of the story. So, essentially, I want to talk about two things today. I want to talk about the concept of big marketing, and I also want to talk about the concept of small marketing. So essentially, not so long ago, I was having a conversation with an individual that was saying that, you know what, hey man, this whole MLM thing, this whole network marketing thing is a scheme. So essentially, this individual had joined a network marketing company, more than one actually, and his experience was not a pleasant experience. To say the least, he joined the opportunity and did not have much success. So I think he was very right and very true by saying that, you know what, this seems as though this is a pyramid scheme. The individual, the company that I joined, they made money, but I didn't make any money. So essentially, this whole network marketing thing is a pyramid scheme. And I said, you know what, hey, I can understand why you feel that way, why you see that, this whole, MLM thing is a pyramid scheme. I said, you know what, let's just take the example of a network marketing company that sells supplements, for example. If I am going into the supplement business, I have two options. I have two ways in which I can go ahead and promote my supplement business. I can go the route of a big company, right? In a big marketing, I can go about doing this in a big way, and I can do big marketing. And for me, what big marketing is that I decide to just put my supplement inside of a Walmart. I decide to put my supplement inside of an Amazon, and I decide to partner up with huge companies that already have big marketing dollars. And those big marketing dollars are put forth towards trying to promote my supplement as much as possible. So that's one option. That's one thing that you can do if you were to decide to start a supplement company. The other thing that you can do is you can decide to go with what I call, in this specific instance, what I call small marketing. And in small marketing, for the sake of this conversation, is whereby you give your product to individuals. That's the network marketing model. Individuals, and those individuals are going to be pushing your specific product. They're going to promote your product to the people that they know, and they're going to use small marketing strategies. I should say this is more strategic marketing strategies to try and promote your business, to try and promote the opportunities. So you have two sides of the coin: big marketing, and you also have small marketing, right? So network marketing in this specific instance is small marketing. So now think about what the first scenario of someone that goes about promoting their supplement by way of big marketing. If they promote their supplement by way of big marketing, a lot of those supplement type companies have success because they put so much money behind, their marketing, and they're on these huge platforms. So because they're on these huge platforms, they make money, and some of them are profitable, and some of them yield some good results as a result of following that specific strategy. Now move over to the network marketing type side of the business. When you move over to the network marketing side of the business, if the big company is selling the exact same type of product as a small network marketing type of company, they have the potential to do just as well, in my opinion. The issue is that in the small marketing specific instance, we are handed. So now this network marketing company comes to me, or they don't necessarily come to me, but I joined this small company. I joined this network marketing company, and my goal is that as an individual who doesn't know anything about marketing, as an individual who have a very, very small budget, my goal is to try to sell two things. I'm trying to sell people into the opportunity, and I'm trying to sell the specific product. Well, there's a huge issue there. One, I don't have big money marketing. I don't have big marketing. I'm a small marketer. And the issue is that as a small marketer, I have no idea as to how to market. So the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to bug my friends and my family. So because I don't know how to market, chances are I'm not going to succeed in that game. But then again, if you were to take that exact same supplement, that exact same product, and you put big money marketing, or you do big marketing behind that specific product, then that product will succeed. It's just that a lot of companies decide to not go that route. They go the route of network marketing. They want to build their business by way of helping other people come along the journey by having a whole bunch of distributors, and those distributors will go ahead and push this specific product. The other analogy that I use with this specific individual is that, I could say, I told him, I could say business is a pyramid scheme. So if you take my example, I spent about $28,000 to build a dating website. After I built the dating website, I had a dating website that had a whole lot of bells and whistles, and that was custom built. And I had this great asset in my specific opinion. And then after I got the asset, right, I was using old school marketing strategies to try to promote it. So was that a pyramid scheme in a sense? Because I am given this specific asset, I'm given this thing that could sell, that could do all of these different things. But me as an individual, I don't have the right strategies. I'm a small marketing individual, but a small marketing individual, they can win once they have the right strategies. So at that time, I did not have the right strategy. So I could be saying the same thing that this specific individual is saying and say, you know what, hey, business is a pyramid scheme, because you know what? I don't have the right marketing skills to go ahead and win. So how do small people, how do small individuals in this specific category, how do those specific individuals win? Well, they win by doing lead generation. They win by doing attraction type marketing. Think about someone that is a YouTuber. So I am here, am on the YouTube platform. You have everyday people like myself, like you, that are getting on YouTube, for example, and that are getting 100,000 followers. So if I get on YouTube and over the course of months or years, I gain 100,000 followers, if I am pushing people to that specific product, I could end up being a small marketer that makes it very, very big. I see people on, platforms such as YouTube selling, hair care products, selling all types of products, because those specific individuals are marketing the product day in and day out, and they're using proven strategy to go ahead and try and win. So if I give that specific individual, the individual that's on YouTube that's doing the marketing, if I give that specific individual a product, right? So we're saying that that individual is in this specific category. If I give that individual a product, that individual is going to be able to push that product, and that individual is going to be able to kind of create freedom for himself and freedom for his family, because that individual doesn't have big money marketing. They can't go and buy a commercial on Super Bowl, but they know how to use small marketing. They know how to use strategic marketing to go ahead and strategically, put themselves in a position whereby they can promote the product. Not only promote the product, they can go ahead and recruit people into their downline. So in my opinion, although, this former network marketer, he was right in his own way by saying that it's a pyramid scheme, I feel as though it is not a pyramid scheme. You just have to learn, marketing. This week, what I'm doing is I'm hosting a free webinar whereby we go step by step. I don't have time to go step by step here, and show you how you can use proven marketing strategies to auto recruit and to go ahead and sell your products. I'm going to be hosting this free webinar. There's going to be a link somewhere on this page whereby you can go ahead and click on the link, and the link will give you the opportunity to register for the webinar, whereby you can kind of just jump on, and I can show you how, small marketing, how people are using small marketing to go ahead and win in this business. The product's the same, right? So if you're handed a product, whether it be with a big company or a network marketing company, being on this side, you can go ahead and promote it. You can go ahead and win. If it's not the product fault, at the end of the day, unfortunately, it's the individual fault. It's not really your fault, to be honest with you. It wasn't my fault. It's not your fault. If you're not given the skill set, if you don't know how to market, if you don't have the tools necessary to win, and then you're going to lose. Kind of like me. I mean, I spent a whole lot of money on this dating website, and all of a sudden I had no idea as to how to promote, as to how to market it. So at some point I felt as though, you know what, man, this is a setup. It's a setup until you learn the proper skills and you plug in the right systems to go ahead and make it happen. So go ahead and sign up for the free web class. There's going to be a link somewhere on this page whereby you can go ahead and sign up for the free web class. We'll walk you through step by step how you can use small marketing to win in this network marketing business. So, hey, that's my time. Thanks for listening. I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.